We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L9550 and we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. Now the reason we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass, we've noticed whenever we're making copies or scans, we're getting some lines and blemishes on our pages, which is going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and open up the top of the scanner. And you notice right away there's actually two separate pieces of glass underneath here. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face down copies, and there's a smaller strip of glass here on the left. And what that's for is whenever you're using this top document feeder here to do any kind of copying or scanning, all that's going to be done on this small strip of glass here on the left. So the reason I mention that is it really helps depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring, whether it's when you're doing face down copies or you're using this top document feeder. That's going to tell you which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on. So that's just a really good troubleshooting trick for you. So once you have that figured out, what you need is a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And then the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your cleaner directly to the glass on the printer. If you do that, you run a very high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and then you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, never directly to the glass in the printer. So once you have your cleaner on your cloth, we're just going to go ahead and start wiping down the scanner glass. And we want to make sure we remove any kind of dust, fingerprints, dirt, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, anything like that. It's all very common to find on your scanner glass. And again, we want to make sure we clean both pieces of glass. In our case, we're noticing most of the blemishes occurring when we're using that top document feeder. So although I already wiped down the flatbed scanner, I really want to focus on making sure I get this little strip of glass on the left very, very clean. There's a little bit of ink on it, and keep in mind, if you have a little bit of ink or something that's on the glass, it does take a little bit longer, a little bit more elbow grease to get that off. So just kind of keep going until you make sure you're happy with the way everything looks. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, you can go ahead and close the scanner. And then I would recommend doing a test copy or a test scan. And since I cleaned both pieces of glass, I would actually test both pieces of glass. Make sure I'm happy with the results. If you are, then you're good to go. If you're still getting some slight blemishes, that's going to indicate there's still something on that scanner glass. Repeat that process one more time. That should take care of it. Other than that, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.